Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C43 AMG sedan. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does come with the exterior lighting package, which is going to give you an LED intelligent light system, adaptive high beam assist. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex Dynamica with red stitching interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back. Rear spoiler. AMG C43 badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, we've got a blind spot assist. Brushed aluminum trim. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill. Up and in, we have a nice AMG leather steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a 10.25 widescreen media display with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, a natural grain black ash wood center console, dynamic select for different driving patterns. Let's go ahead and hear that AMG exhaust. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This C43 AMG has 4,671 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.